There's so many snacks.
It's basically a snack place.
Bruh.
Hey, go.
Bombastic side eye.
Oh, it's green, the shark's on it. Reef sharks. Okay.
My mind, waking when the sun's down, riding all these highs.
waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me. I'm doing decently. Just glad that I can be. Yeah. I'm trying to read